Tutorial is on how to get a Nintendo 64 game working on your Macintosh. I will be getting Super Smash Bros. To work. First of all, you need to go to your web browser and go to a website called Sixtyforce.com. It's Sixtyforce.com. Here at the main page, you'll see a link that says Download Sixtyforce. You can click that and click the latest version. Right now it's 0.9.2, and that seems to work pretty well. You can save the file, and once you have it, you'll need to mount it. That's basically just involves double clicking or clicking. Once you see this spot right here, you'll need to drag Sixtyforce right here, this file, to somewhere on your computer. Anywhere will do. Most people like theirs in their applications, but I'll drag mine to my desktop for simplicity's sake. Once you've done that, you'll need to reopen your web browser and go to a website coolrom.com, COOLROM.com. Once here, you'll need to hold your mouse over the link that says ROM files and click Nintendo 64. Now here you see all the letters of the alphabet, and if you click any letter, it will show all the games that CoolROM has that start with that letter. So I'll be downloading Super Smash Bros., so I'll click S, and it'll be down here towards the bottom. Here it is, Super Smash Bros. Now the download link will appear in 15 seconds. Download it, save it, and it's around 12 megabytes, so depending on your internet connection speed, it could take a few minutes. Alright, once it's downloaded, you'll need to open the folder to which you downloaded it, and you'll need to open it. It'll be supersmashbros.zip. It's a zip file, and it will unarchive it, and inside of the folder, usually in your downloads, it'll put a folder called Super Smash Bros. Inside that folder, there will be another file called supersmashbrothers.z64. You can copy that to your desktop if you want, or you can just leave it where it is, right click it, and make an alias of it if you want, and you can put that in your desktop. Once you've done that, all you have to do is double click that. It'll say, are you sure you want to open this application? That's just a security measure. You can say, okay, open, you want to open it, and you'll need to click OK, and then you'll have to double click supersmashbrothers.z64 again to get it to open. After that, there you go, you've got it opened up. From here you can configure all your controller preferences, your graphics preferences, add new controllers, delete controllers, and so on and so forth. Keep in mind that this is only legal if you already own the game and you own a Nintendo 64. Good luck.